The typewriter sat abandoned in my late uncle's study, its keys dulled by decades of dust. I was drawn to it, inexplicably compelled to press the cold, stiff keys. The first letter struck with a metallic clack, and vivid red ink bled onto the page. I froze, finger trembling. There was no ribbon loaded, just a tangle of something dark and sticky wound inside. Curious, I unwound it, recoiling at the metallic tang that filled the air. The ribbon wasn't inked. It was stained deep crimson, slick and damp as if freshly soaked in something far worse than ink. My chest tightened, breath shallow. The words I'd typed began to shift on the paper, forming sentences I hadn't written. They described me, sitting alone, hands trembling, reading words that should never be read aloud. The letters oozed, pooling into a spreading patch that crept toward my fingertips like a living stain. I tried to pull away, but my hands were glued to the keys, trapped. The final line appeared: "You finish its story, or it finishes you." My vision blurred as the ribbon unspooled, winding itself around my wrists, pulling me closer, demanding another tale in its unending crimson script. The room darkened, and I realized the typewriter was not just a machine, it was a trap, and I was its next story.